Are you looking for a gaming monitor for the PlayStation 5? In this video, I will show you the best gaming monitor for the PS5 based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The sixth product on the list is the BenQ EW3280U. BenQ EW3280U is one of the best gaming monitors for PS5 for a couple of reasons. This might not be the perfect monitor, but it is no less. Talking about the monitor itself, it is coupled with some of the best techs that are good enough for playing games on PS5. From the front, you will see a stunning 32-inch 4K display that supports the resolution of 3840 by 2160. You can expect the best 4K gaming experience on this gaming monitor. With IPS panel, you will see vivid, bright, and accurate colors that are good for gamers as well as for movies, photo/video editors. Here is another thing that will give you a sharp image with a great contrast ratio, and that is VESA Display HDR400. With HDR400, the brightness can go up to 350 nits without losing the true blacks in the dark scenes of the game. Along with the great picture quality, this PS5 gaming monitor is also intelligent. BenQ EW3280U comes with an ambient light sensor that automatically adjusts the brightness of the screen according to your lighting condition. This intelligent feature is definitely going to protect the eye straining. For connectivity, you will get 2x HDMI port, 1x DisplayPort, USB Type-C, and 3.5mm jack. To control the OSD menu, you also get a remote using which you can control the monitor as well as the sound. All in all, this is a well-balanced gaming monitor for PS5 that you can get for high-quality gaming. The fifth product on the list is the Alienware AW3420DW. This gaming monitor from Alienware offers incredibly smooth performance and responsive gaming at a fair price. Its 34 inches screen and QHD resolution is great for drowning yourself into the world of gaming and experiencing lifelike images that are crisp and sharp. Talking about gaming performance, gaming on this gaming monitor is pure bliss. Alienware AW3420 gaming monitor offers an impressive performance thanks to the inclusion of 4ms response rate, 120Hz refresh rate, and G-Sync compatibility. This gaming monitor for PS5 lets you game without coming across any sort of lag. Other game features include dark stabilizer, game enhanced mode, and pre-calibrated display setting for FPS and RTS gaming. Alienware AW3420 has got a fair selection of ports. You will find HDMI port 1.2, DisplayPort 1.4, USB 3.0 ports in the back. Apart from that, there is a headphone jack located on the front side as well. The design of this gaming monitor will surely grab your attention. What's even better is that it comes with an ergonomic stand, so you could adjust this gaming monitor for maximum adaptability. You can tilt this gaming monitor or stretch the height of this device as per your own convenience. This gaming monitor for PS5 is a feature-packed gaming monitor, and you can definitely get this for your brand new PS5 gaming setup. The fourth product on the list is the Samsung Odyssey G7. If curved gaming monitors are your preference, better look at our list of best curved gaming monitors. Samsung has packed a 31.6 inches QLED display and features 1440p resolution. Samsung Odyssey is incredibly fast, since it packs 240Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. Samsung Odyssey G7 is HDR600 certified, which means it reveals every little detail on the screen so you don't miss out on anything. For fluid and smooth gaming sessions, this gaming monitor is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync and FreeSync Premium Pro support. Thanks to these technologies, playing games on Samsung Odyssey shows no screen tearing or ghosting, giving you a high-quality gaming experience. Connectivity on Samsung Odyssey might be minimal, but it offers some good selection of ports. With this gaming monitor, you get DisplayPort, HDMI port, and USB 3.0. This gaming monitor comes with a stylish and sturdy stand that can be pivoted, swivel, or even tilt. You can adjust the height of the stand for maximizing comfort. On the other hand, if you want to save some space on the desk, you can mount it on the wall. Odyssey G7 is a power-packed gaming monitor for PS5 that definitely deserve a place in this list. The third product on the list is the Acer Predator XB273K. Acer Predator XB273K comes with a 27 inches display screen featuring 4K resolution. Its IPS panel display produces accurate, bright, and vivid colors, and lets you enjoy comfortable viewing angles on a wide screen. Equipped with NVIDIA G-Sync technology and 120Hz refresh rate and 4 milliseconds response time, this gaming monitor is ready to take on the modern gaming titles. Brace yourself to experience an unprecedented gaming session that is stutter-free and lag-free. Acer Predator XP273K also comes with various game-centered features that give you an edge over your rivals. You get a flickerless display that protects against eye fatigue, so you could game longer and more comfortably. While we are at it, you get 8 preset display settings for different types of content. Well, you can tune these visuals as well. Port-wise, this gaming monitor for PS5 comes with a good selection of ports. You get DisplayPort V1.4, HDMI V2.0, and multiple USB 3.0 ports to connect your devices. The height of the stand can be adjusted for maximum adaptability. All things considered, Acer Predator XP273K is quite close to perfection and unarguably is one of the best 4K gaming monitors for PS5. The second product on the list is the LG 32GK650FB. For those who are looking for an extra wide screen, this gaming monitor from LG is the way to go. LG 32GK650F measures 32 inches of the display screen, when coupled with QHD resolution, offers a thrilling and immersive gaming experience. The picture quality on the screen is pristine, crisp, and vivid. When it comes to gaming, this gaming monitor provides exceptional gaming performance. Since LG has rated this monitor at 144Hz and 1 millisecond motion blur reduction, games played on this device are smoother and clearer. The ultra-fast refresh rate does a good job of keeping up the frame rates, resulting in an outstanding and thrilling gaming session. As if that were not enough, the inclusion of Radeon FreeSync technology eliminates lags and chopped images from the screen. Other than that, LG has included other gaming features with this device, such as Black Stabilizer, crosshair feature to give users an edge during their competitive gaming. Connectivity is not an issue here with this device. LG features HDMI port, DisplayPort, and a headphone jack, so you could connect your device effortlessly. The LG gaming monitor has become gamers' favorite choice, and undoubtedly is perfect for those who are looking for a PS5 gaming monitor. The first product on the list is the Acer Nitro 15273K. Acer Nitro is one of the most affordable options for those who are looking for a 4K gaming monitor for PS5. This gaming monitor makes no compromises with essentials, and is up for grabs at a jaw-dropping price. Things got interesting with Acer's Nitro 15273K. This gaming monitor from Acer features 27 inches of the screen in 4K resolution to offer you an immersive experience, bringing every little detail on screen. Its IPS display provides a comfortable viewing experience and offers you accurate and consistent colors. The images on the screen are crystal clear, vivid, and sharp. This gaming monitor features an ultra-fast refresh rate of 120Hz, which can be overclocked to 144Hz. Having such a higher refresh rate ensures a tear-free gaming experience and smooth images. As far as connectivity is concerned, Acer's Nitro features 2 DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI port 2.0. Apart from that, the input panel comes with a 3.5mm audio jack for connecting your gaming headset. Regarding ergonomics, you get an ergo stand with this gaming monitor, so you could make some amends in the adjustment of this gaming monitor. You can make a 4-inch height adjustment, tilt this device for maximizing your comfort. In a nutshell, Acer Nitro 15273K gaming monitor makes an easy recommendation for those who don't want to spend a fortune on buying the best 4K monitors for PS5. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.